welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your residential cleaning business. If you offer residential cleaning services, then manually sharing packages and explaining rates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will share packages and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for residential cleaning business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like, "Hi." And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, I'm your residential cleaning assistant. What do you need help with?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says packages. And our chatbot responds us with, "We offer 3 packages, basic 1 BHK, deep clean 2 to 3 BHK, and premium full home plus kitchen." Next, I'm going to select the second option that says pricing. And it has provided us with pricing options: 1 BHK rupees 899, 2 BHK rupees 1199, and 3 BHK for 1499. Kitchen add-on is for rupees 399. Lastly, I'm going to choose an option that says book a cleaning. And our chatbot responds us with, "Book a cleaning, please share address." So here I'm going to send a dummy response as ABC address. Then it is asking for date. So here I'm going to send a general date like this. Then it is asking for size. So here I'm saying 3 BHK. You are booked. We will see you on 6th of May 2025 and at ABC address. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for residential cleaning with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach Chatflow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Residential Cleaning. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Here I've added these little star signs at the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here we have an option to add quick reply options. Here we can add as many as 3 quick reply options such as packages as well as pricings. And lastly, I'm going to add response for book a cleaning. So once we have created our first message, we have to create a response for each of the quick reply options. So let's begin with packages. And for this, I'm going to access the text button from here, and here I'm going to add all the packages. Our message will look like this to the user. Next, I'm going to curate a response for pricings, and for this, I'm going to access the text button. Here I've added all the pricings, and it will look like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to create a response for book a cleaning, and for this I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on question to get a question box. Here I'm going to add the details for the booking. I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to add, here I've added this message, book a cleaning, please share address. Here we have an option to select contact custom field, and as contact custom fields I'm going to select address, and as format I'm going to select any. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to add another question. Here I've asked for date, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select time, and as format I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the question box, and then I'm going to create another question, and here I'm going to get, here I've asked for size, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box, and lastly I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. Confirmation message, you are booked, we will see you on $time at $address. Time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual time sent by the user. Similarly, address was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual address sent by the user. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for residential cleaning with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.